Hi, I'm Judy Mudd. I've been teaching watercolor workshops and classes on Zoom for over 2 years now. And when I started, I had no idea how successful they would be, and they have far exceeded my expectations. I want to tell you a little bit about how they work now. And they're basically the same. Students receive drawing guides, reference photos, other materials prior to class. And then I record the Zoom session, and it's usually 4-hour workshop. And I save that, and students get a link to it, and they can download it to multiple devices and keep it as long as they want. That's what we get with the workshop itself. During the workshop, I'll share my screen with students. Let me share you what I have now on my Photoshop. And I'm able to, zoom in on areas and talk about lighting and the effects of lighting and what happens with it and shadow shapes. And so I'm able to do some detailed discussion on what we're going to put in and composition and the armature of the composition, what we're going to take out and what we're going to leave in and how we're going to handle it. And so that's a great way to start every class in the workshop is by using Zoom. I then go to my desktop and show people my desktop and how it's set up, and you can see it here. You can see my entire desktop and what I'm doing, my brushes that I use, how I'm painting. And what's the best thing about my desktop is the camera that I use allows me to zoom in so you can see details and brush strokes and how it works. If I'm adding something to a painting, or if I am drawing something like this, so something we just had in a class, and students in a classroom situation in person can't see this close up, but I may talk about how to draw a cow using my chiclet shape, and then maybe putting a head in. They can see how all of this works. And that's something that you don't see when you do the live classes. It's very difficult to see that. And so that's why I love teaching on Zoom, because you can see far more than you ever could before. You can keep it and review it over and over. Students can ask questions. We talk about composition and colors and brushing techniques. And then I always do a little review during the class, and they can improve their paintings while we're in class. And it just works so well for this medium, especially because it's down low. So anyway, it's been very successful. I've thoroughly enjoyed teaching online. I hope you join me sometime. You can head to my website, judymudd.com, and I always have a list of current workshops and classes. And again, I post them every month, so there's new ones on every month. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you online soon.